Samsung is gearing up for a major refresh to its flagship tablet lineup, and it's looking like the Galaxy Tab S11 series could officially launch in September 2025, based on recent statements and historical release patterns. A Samsung South Africa official recently hinted to Android Authority that a Galaxy Tab update is coming shortly, and described the move as being in line with our traditional cadence, a phrase that practically confirms the timeline. If Samsung follows last year's release pattern when the Galaxy Tab S10 series dropped in September 2024, this year's flagship tabs are likely to arrive around the same time. And by all indications, the Galaxy Tab S11 series is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most powerful and versatile tablet launches yet. New Button 2 models expected: Galaxy Tab S11 and Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Leaks suggest that Samsung will debut two devices under the Galaxy Tab S11 umbrella. Galaxy Tab S11, the base model for everyday users, students, and productivity fans. Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, a powerhouse designed for creatives, multitaskers, and professionals who need desktop-level performance on the go. Rocket processor, MediaTek takes the wheel. In a bold shift, Samsung is rumored to equip both models with MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 chipset. This is a high-performance SoC system-on-chip built on a 3nm process, likely to offer high-voltage faster multitasking performance, better energy efficiency for extended battery life, video game enhanced graphics for gaming and creative work, antenna bars improved connectivity, including 5G and Wi-Fi 7 support, depending on region. Switching from Qualcomm or in-house Exynos to MediaTek could help reduce production costs while still delivering premium performance. Battery life, bigger cells for longer days. Battery details have also surfaced. The standard Galaxy Tab S11 is expected to pack an 8,400 mAh battery. The more powerful Tab S11 Ultra may house a massive 11,200 mAh battery. These battery sizes indicate that Samsung is taking power users seriously, especially those who use their tablets for long creative sessions, video editing, or work on the go. Calendar launch date: September 2025 is looking likely. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed the date, the quote from the Samsung official, combined with historical trends, makes September 2025 the most likely timeframe. Expect a reveal at Samsung's fall launch event. Pre-orders within days of announcement. Global availability shortly after, depending on region. Magnifying glass tilted left. What else could be new? Though many details are still under wraps, here's what's being speculated or hoped for. Artist palette: smoother stylus input with improved S Pen latency. Magnifying glass tilted left: 120Hz AMOLED display for silky visuals and media consumption. Laptop computer: One UI upgrades with better multi-window and desktop-like experiences. Puzzle piece compatibility with new accessories or Samsung DeX enhancements. Brain: final thoughts. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Tab S11 series looks set to combine premium performance, better battery life, and a sleek design into two powerhouse devices. The use of the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, paired with huge battery capacities and likely display enhancements, makes these tablets ideal contenders against Apple's iPad Pro and other flagship Android slates.